Hey guys, it's a beautiful morning here in Estacada, Oregon. I'm obviously up here at the sawmill. Some days I get a call for 500 boards, but today I got a call for 5. Normally I wouldn't entertain an order like that, but these 5 boards are going to finish up a project I started a couple of years ago for my friend Rob. I've milled a bunch of lumber for this, and these last 5 cedar boards are just going to cap off some fascia that I either missed or we added to the project, but it's almost done. I'm going to knock it out, and then I've got some maintenance I need to do to the mill. It's not cut and square the way it should. I can manipulate the clamp to get square cuts off of it, but it's taking more work than it should to get square cuts. So won't be in this video, but I'm going to give this thing a bath. I'm going to align the deck and just go through some maintenance that has probably been needed for a while. So I need 3 cedar 1x6s, 9 feet long, and 2 1x8s, also 9 feet. I'm going to dig through this pile of cedar here. I'm sure I've got something there that will get it done. If not, I've got some more logs up above that I can pick from. All right, on the butt end, we've got about 11 inches. There's not much taper. Yeah, 10 and a half down here, and I should be about 10 feet long or so. Yeah, about 9 and a half. Hopefully I can cut that check out of the lumber I get. But I am going to actually run down and fill up my lube bottle for the sawmill, and then I should be able to knock these boards out in just a few minutes. This here is just barely going to make a 1x8. I'll see if the rest are maybe a little bit closer. Again, I only need 2 of them. These 2 are the widest, so I think I'll go with them. All righty. Just like that, I've got the lumber I need for tomorrow. I've got some cedar cutoffs that I can cut up for kindling. That is the best kindling, hands down. Well, guys, I guess that's it for today. I had it in my head that I was going to be taking this lumber over and using it today, but it's a week from today, next Thursday. So this is going to be a little bit shorter video, but it was a short order, so that's what we get. Next, I'm going to need to dig my mill out of all this scrap and logs that I've got on the other side and get this thing down to the shop so that I can do some maintenance on it. And I've also got some product review videos. I know you guys love those, but I'm trying out some stuff that is really cool. It's really smart. If you remember, years ago I used to work with a company called Olight. They make awesome flashlights. I've still got all but one of the ones they ever sent me. I just smashed one using it on my car hoist a couple weeks ago, but I'm working with them again with a battery charger that you got to see. I've got an electric dirt bike that my son absolutely loves, so I'm going to share that with you. And I've got some off-road lights that I put on my four-wheeler. They're really small, low wattage, but I was really surprised at how well they work. So I've got a video coming out on those as well. Of course, I've got more of this. I've got more of my truck that I'm working on. I got some parts that have shown up for that. I will keep the videos flowing just as quickly as I can. I appreciate you guys watching this one. Stick around. We'll see you soon.